What's up, you guys? I know it's been a long time since y'all seen my face, and y'all, I've been all over the place. I've been editing, doing other stuff, but I'm back. And actually, I even thought about, like, I don't want to just like make makeup tutorials, just do makeup tutorials. I actually want to start vlogging. So this is gonna be a get ready with me today, and I'm actually gonna vlog today. I'm going to Benihana's. This is my first time ever going to Benihana's. I know y'all probably like, what the hell, girl? Like, where you been at? But like, yeah, this is my first time going to Benihana's. I've been to something like, kind of like just like it. But it's in Tallahassee, but it doesn't say Benihana's. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, so my cousin and I decided, why not, let's go out and let's go to Benihana's. So I decided to do a get ready with me with you guys. Wow, you know, I get ready to go. I know what I want to eat when I get there, but I'm excited actually. So I'm gonna start vlogging now, and I'm gonna focus on my channel a lot more and be more consistent. I know I say this in every video, like almost every video I say that, but y'all, it's so hard. But now I have to do what I gotta do and just do what I say. I'm tired of not doing what I say that I'm gonna do. So also, guys, I am not in Tallahassee. I'm actually back home with my family, and I've been here since the beginning of April. I got here April 9th, and I've been going out with my friends, and I could have been vlogging and, you know, letting you guys know what I was doing, but instead I wanted to turn up. So this weekend is one of my closest friends since I've been young, like, you know, when I was in elementary school, and it's her birthday, and we're gonna be turning up this weekend. So I'm actually gonna vlog her birthday. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. I'm still stuck on that, but I do know how I want my hair to be. Also, you guys, I know, like, I keep saying this in every video, like, I keep saying that I'm gonna show you guys give you guys the update on the Kalili hair. Y'all, I'm gonna get to it. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. The wig is not with me. As you can see, I have braids on. Okay, let me take this off. I just don't want to dirty my outfit, but it's a little hot, okay? It's a little hot here, you know? I'm sweating. And if you hear that loud noise, y'all, I'm so sorry. It's this AC in the back, and it needs to cool up back here, because maybe I'm getting hot. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that my face is clearing up. It's just like a few like this right here. It's just so hard to come off. And then I got this right here. It's just like I'm trying to get my face back, and then this came out of nowhere, y'all. Y'all see this? It's like a pimple, like, bro, like, as much as I want to pop it, I kind of like let it be. Like, I just left it there. Y'all, like, I do not wear makeup like that. I don't wear makeup every day. Like, I really don't. That's the thing. That's the crazy thing. I don't wear makeup every day, and I just get all this stuff on my face, and on top of that, my face is just so dry. But whatever. Y'all, also, I got me a new mirror, you know? Look at this. I got me a new mirror. Yes. And it's like it got a light. So all I got, when I plug it in, all I gotta do is just tap it and the lights comes on, which I think is so cool. So I'm gonna go in with Fawn. Y'all know how Fawn look like. I'm gonna go in with Fawn to conceal my brows. And y'all, tonight I'm just gonna do like a light V, nothing too major, you know. So y'all get the point. I'm gonna shut up and y'all gonna see how I do. Also, one thing is, I'm really gonna bomb, that's what I want to say. My laptop my laptop is so slow, y'all. Like, I'm tired of downloading softwares on my computer and thinking it's gonna work fast. It's like the rendering gets on my nerves. Like, I like it, but it's just like, it doesn't go any faster, and I have an HP. So, all y'all Mac users, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably don't understand the struggle. Some of y'all do. But it's just so hard. Like, I just get so tired of my window, like my HP, like it just makes me so mad. But next week I'm going to my aunt's house, and my grandma ruined the surprise as always. And she literally told me that when I go to my aunt's house next week, that she has a surprise, and she told me that the surprise was I was gonna get a new laptop. But I want to get a Mac, but if it's not a Mac, it's totally fine with me. It is totally fine. Also, you guys, what's today, Thursday? Okay. Tomorrow, I'm going to, y'all, my sister keep coughing, like, what is wrong with her? Also, I'm going to, Crafty Crafts, never been there before. It's for my friend's birthday. So I'm also going to be vlogging that day. So I'm going to be bringing out this content for you guys. I'm going to be vlogging, y'all. I also decided to do some reactions to certain videos. I'm going to do a reaction to Cash Doll. Cash Doll and Kelly. I guess that's the song, Kelly. Everybody, I've been hearing good things about it, so I'm gonna do a review. I'm gonna do a reaction to that, but bear with me because my laptop is like bogus. So I'm gonna actually work on this makeup tutorial and the vlog tonight after the gym. Y'all, I've been hitting the gym now. I've been hitting the gym. I'm not playing. My birthday coming up. I gotta be summertime fine. I lost 10 pounds in a week. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Lost 10 pounds in a week. Okay, next I'm going to be using, as always, my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. My Real Techniques brush, and this is like the mini this is a blush brush from the Real Technique, but I use this to apply my foundation because I have the bigger one right here. This is for foundation, but I really like the small one for some reason. I like using the small one to apply foundation. So as you guys know, I always use Milani Conceal Imperfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer Chestnut. Y'all know how I feel about this line. I love them. I love them. They are for people with dry skin, so I got the driest of them all. So I'm just gonna do this. Pump, pump, pump on my face. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to tap, 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 tap very slowly just to get that nice matte look. So I'm gonna start on the chin and I'm just gonna tap very slow. Okay, so now I'm going to use this black pencil to do under my eyes. Now I'm going to use this brown pencil.
That's for YouTube?
Yeah. Honestly, I don't know why I'm doing my lip if I'm eating.
It's not completely silent.
Now I'm gonna take my Lipland lipstick. I forgot what color it is, but bear with me. And it's like this nude.
Where's your purse? Somebody's going live.
Can you open the door, please? Because I'm about to die.
I hate my lips. Where's your purse at?
In the corner right there. Like this. I'm gonna take my Supernatural and Revlon and I'm gonna put this all over my lip. No?
Do we have like on the same thing?
What?
But you're lighter than me, that's why I look like that on you, because I hate it.
What?
My lipstick, my lip gloss. This is on like Urban Decay or some shit?
Oh no, this is Revlon.
No, I'm talking about the one under that.
Oh no, this is Lipland.
It's so sticky and like that. I cannot do my baby hair.
I'm going to use my Morph highlighter and I'm going to highlight my face real quick. I'm going to use just a regular brush. Ooh, I put too much. Please take it away.
So did you start the video?
This?
The vlog.
It's gonna start when we get in the car.
I look fat sitting down though.
What? No.
Just make sure you get my feet. You over there beat for this damn vlog.
This is not a beat. If you think this is a beat, this is not a beat.
No, what is that?
Okay, last but not least, I guess I'm done, you know? I'm done. Alright, you know. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna take my NYX matte finish Supernatural from Revlon. I'm gonna take my matte finish whatever this thing is called. You know what it's called. And I'm gonna set my face.
I bet you take
Are you gonna take a Whitney's class? I hope you like this look. I will see you guys very soon. Like I said, I was gonna vlog. And yeah, this is my get ready with me look just to go out to eat. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.